Hello everyone. On today's video I'm gonna try and do this home accent decor in the form of a leaf. The materials that I'll be using is a wire hanger, rope, a bamboo stick, and a vase of a small fake plant. I started out with the wire hanger and I'm gonna give it the form of a leaf, and then after that what we're gonna do is start wrapping the wire hanger with rope. So now that I've finished with shaping the wire hanger, I'm going to wrap the whole thing with this rope. A little tip is when I'm wrapping things, in this case with the rope, I use double stick tape instead of glue. That way it's faster, less messier, and you don't burn your fingers. And it will hold the rope in its place. Now I have here this craft wood. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap the whole thing with the cord also. See, I'm using here the double stick tape. That way it's easier and faster to hold the rope in place. Now that I finished with my wood stick, now I'm going to glue it to the back of the leaf in this case. That way it will give it more shape and it will hold better. And for the wrapping part, what I did is I took a piece of rope. I would suggest you take a small piece, maybe 36 inches or 48. That way it's easier to do this part. And then I located the center of the cord or the rope and I glue it to the back of the stick. So what I did here is I took my left cord or rope and I put it on top of the left side of the hanger and on top of the middle stick, but I put it under the right side of the hanger. And with the right cord, I did the same thing. I pull it on top of the right side of the hanger, on top of the middle stick, but under the left of the hanger. Now you should have a piece of cord on the right side and on the left side of the middle stick. Now you're gonna cross them on the back and you should have like an X in the front and in the back. And then you're gonna pull the cords, one to the right side of the hanger and one to the left side of the hanger, and we are gonna repeat the same process or the same step as we started. If you finish with your cord, all you're gonna do is gonna make a knot on the back side of the wood stick that is in the middle of the leaf, and then you're gonna start doing the same thing. Get your piece of cord, whatever length you prefer to work with, glue it on the back of the stick, the middle stick, just where you left, and then start doing the same process over again. Once you reach the end of the leaf, do the same thing, tie a knot on the back of the wood middle stick, and then put a little dab of glue so it will hold in place. So what I'm gonna do is I have here this fake flower in this vase. I'm gonna remove the flower and I'm gonna use it as a vase for my leaf. And here it is, the finished product. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay safe everyone.